Hello and good morning, everybody. Well, we are well into October. The leaves are changing. We have cooler mornings. It is time to think about Halloween. So whether you are an adult-sized kid like myself or an actual kid, creativity and imagination begins here at Goodwill. I have Doug with us. Good morning, Doug.
Good morning there, eh?
Yeah. So you're a Canadian lumberjack, I'm guessing?
Canadian lumberjack right from the north.
Plaid looks great on you, buddy. Okay, so while we're looking for a costume for me today, you're going to help me out. Why don't you tell me how Goodwill helps out with sustainability?
Definitely. Honestly, Halloween is great for sustainability just because we've had so many donations come in through the past year, and there's been a lot of new stuff. It's new and new to you, essentially, because there's the imagination that kind of comes through with it. So you're right, we did pick out some items for you. We're keeping them out of the landfill, maybe putting them in your closet so you can go trick-or-treating later on. And these ideas are so fantastic because they're just using your imagination, going in and figuring out an idea and then piecing these together and coming up with something so magical, so innovative, and so one of a kind.
And so what are the trends you're seeing in the past couple of years?
A lot of trends. Well, people are sitting at home, right? They're sitting at home watching Netflix. They're watching Disney. They're binge watching. So, you know, we have some famous ideas coming your way, and it's based on some of those ideas that we've probably seen in the past year and a half.
And finally, what is Goodwill's mission?
Our mission, actually, at the end of the day, is to help people with disabilities to find and gain meaningful employment. It doesn't necessarily mean employment here at Goodwill. We actually partner with private organizations to find the right employment opportunity for the right person. Because not everybody's suited for retail. Some people are suited for technology jobs or trades jobs or anything of that nature. So you have to find the right job for the right person. And so if you're purchasing something from Goodwill or donating something to Goodwill, 89 cents of every dollar that's spent in the store goes back to the mission that helps these programs and helps people to find this employment.
All right, Doug. What do you think of this Cruella de Vil costume?
Well, that looks pretty good there, eh? Also, if you're looking for the white Cruella hair, we have it.
Nice. I'm going to wear this for the rest of the show. If you want more information on Goodwill, head to our website, ctvedmonton.ca, under Morning Live. All morning we're hanging out at the largest Goodwill in Western Canada, right here at home in Edmonton. Bet you didn't know that. It is October, of course. We're celebrating Halloween. We're choosing our costumes. I am Cruella de Vil. We have Doug here from Goodwill Industries. You are a
Canadian lumberjack there, eh?
Rocking that plaid. So this time around we're talking about kids' costumes. I mean, imagination is endless, right? We're going to invite our first model in, Gabriel. Gabriel, come in for us. So what did he choose, Doug?
So Gabriel led the charge on this, and he found an old monkey suit, mask, everything. It looks absolutely rock star-ish, and I say rock star-ish because he found the axe guitar, and we're gonna hear #1 hit song from Gabriel, I'm sure anytime soon, especially rocking that costume, aren't we, Gabriel?
That's right. Gabriel, thank you so much. No monkey business right here. We're going to invite our other models in as well. I also love that the mask also serves as COVID friendly too.
Oh, fantastic, right?
So Kinsley is here with us today, and this is actually your family, right, Gabriel?
This is my family. We have little Hunter and little Kinsley, and Kinsley led the charge. She found a Spider-Man costume, an ode to Spider-Mabel, and superhero costumes are so in right now, and we always have a lot coming through our doors, so we just let the kids lead the charge.
Absolutely, and let's not forget about newborns, because they should be participating in Halloween too, right?
It's all about the entire family, right? So that's why we have Kinsley, and then we also have Hunter, and he's rocking a pumpkin jumpsuit. So he's actually celebrating Halloween in his own little way, and we just dressed him up as a little pumpkin just so he could participate with everybody else.
That's right. It's a costume and pajamas, so it serves as two duties, right? Really quickly, Doug, what are some tips for families coming to Goodwill? How do you choose the right costume for your kids?
Well, as you can see, Kinsley's already leading the way. She has her eyes on some other costumes, but you have to let kids lead the charge. It's all about using your imagination and piecing some items together. Little Kinsley was looking for a belle costume, right? Princess? Yeah. So she was looking for a princess, ended up as a superhero, and you just got to let them lead the way.
That's absolutely correct. Thank you so much, Doug. It's the entire family, all of our models today. If you want more information on Goodwill, head to our website, ctvedmonton.ca, under Morning Live. Hey, if you're a hardcore thrifter like myself, Cruella DeVille, chances are you've been to a Goodwill, and all morning we're hanging out at the largest Goodwill in Western Canada. And so I'm joined by Doug, the Canadian lumberjack, and we're going to do some upcycling for Halloween decor, starting off with these candlesticks.
Yes, so in front of you, you have some brass candlesticks. They're old, they're ugly, they've been donated. They don't really have much use anymore, but you just take some matte trim-clad rust paint, very simple, and you can turn it into something absolutely spectacular. So a beautiful candle holder that you can use for centerpieces. You can actually put them all together, add some cobwebs, and you have yourself a spooky centerpiece,
I
right?
love it.
So that's absolutely great. It doesn't have to be limited to Halloween. You can use different rust paints or things of that nature to create a centerpiece all year round.
So you have a white t-shirt in front of you that we're about to upcycle. What are your crazy plans for this?
So very simple, it's a white t-shirt, right? Well, we have Cruella DeVille to my left, and I think you need some Dalmatians. So it's very simple. You take a paint marker, essentially. All you do, and you just add some spots. Add some spots to it. And the next thing you know, by the time you go through the entire shirt, you're gonna create yourself your own little Dalmatian puppy. White and black, right?
Yeah.
Go to the store, find a fire hat. Now you have your world's favorite mascot. And isn't that Marshall from Paw Patrol?
That's right, that's right. I was about to say. Awesome, Doug, thank you so much. Your creativity knows no bounds. Thank you for having us here at Goodwill. If you want more information on Goodwill, because you're a hardcore thrifter, you're looking for Halloween costumes, head to our website, ctvedmonton.ca under Morning Live. Good morning, everybody. It's Cruella DeVille here, celebrating Halloween at the largest Goodwill in Western Canada. So all morning we've been choosing costumes and talking about decor, but really we wanted to talk about their mission statement as well. And we have one of their amazing employees, Tamara, here. Good morning, Tamara.
Good morning.
How long have you been working for Goodwill?
13 years.
13 years. Congratulations. So you must love your job. What are some of your favorite aspects of working here?
I like the people. They're friendly. I like how they do it for the mission and all the recycling and everything, and how they're nice to people and everything. And I just like it all the way around.
Do you thrift a lot?
Sometimes, yep.
Yeah, and this is a great place to thrift. I actually heard that you met your husband here.
Yes, I did.
Tell us the story.
Well, one day when this Goodwill was on 51st Ave, I said, "Where are you from? Because I like your accent." And from that day, he asked me out, and I said, and I kind of got him in trouble because I didn't know how to act. After that, about a week later, he asked me out again, and we went from there.
And how long has Jason been working with Goodwill for?
Almost 15 years.
Oh, okay, so he has 2 years on you.
Yeah.
If somebody wants to get a job at Goodwill, but they're not exactly sure yet, what would you tell them?
They can go online, or they can bring in their resume, and boss and stuff will look at it.
Excellent. Tamara, thank you so much. If you want more information on employment here at Goodwill, you can head to our website, ctvedmonton.ca under Morning Live.